What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. I got out my Arrma Typhon 3S. Just won a runner. See how she is. This thing is a beast, though. I mean, this battery I'm running in here is not too hot. Oh, there you go. It's warming up now. Yo, this is one of my favorite 3S cars, man. I ain't even see you, deer. You saw that deer? And with these Badland tires, they give it more grip on the dirt. Because most of my 3S cars, they can handle this, but not like this. I can control this better. You know what I'm saying? I can control it a lot better. You know, I love this little buggy, whatever it is. I was going for a side wheelie. Whoa, that was close. Yeah, but that was just a quick run, man. I wasn't really doing nothing special. Just wanted to run it real quick. This is the best. I'm telling you, these Badlands, MK28s, 17 millimeters, they do this thing on the Arrma Typhon 3S. Thing is, with this car, I don't have no upgrades except for a metal pinion. I mean, the metal slipper clutch and the Badlands. Of course, I added my lights, added my little style to it. Got you know, little colors here and there. White on the Power Hobby tires. Really didn't do nothing. Still got the plastic turnbuckles in the front and in the back. This thing is sick. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.